In this video, we can talk about top 5 writer AI alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Code channel, your ultimate destination for discovering the best alternatives to your favorite software. If you're searching for exciting alternatives to writer AI, you've landed on the right video. Today, we'll unveil the top 5 alternatives that are Copy AI, Jasper, Anyword, Writersonic, and Zimmwriter that will revolutionize your writing experience. The first alternative on our list is Copy AI. Copy AI is an advanced AI-powered writing tool that can assist you in creating compelling and engaging content. It offers features like blog post generation, ad copy creation, and AI-based brainstorming. By leveraging the power of AI, this tool can understand the tone, style, and context of writing, allowing it to produce accurate and informative content. The standout feature of Copy AI is its ability to generate personalized content using advanced AI algorithms. Second alternative is Jasper AI. Jasper AI is an AI writing assistant designed to generate engaging, accurate, and well-researched content. It offers features like content optimization, research assistance, advanced grammar check, and real-time research. With its advanced features and intuitive interface, users can expect to streamline their writing process and produce well-crafted content with ease. One of Jasper AI's standout features is its ability to analyze and suggest better word choices. Our third alternative is Anyword. Anyword AI is an innovative AI copywriting tool that acts as an intelligent assistant to copywriters, marketers, and business owners. It offers features like blog post generator, ad copy generator, email copy generator, and social post generator. It provides assistance with various writing tasks, such as creating social media posts, drafting product descriptions, and even writing scripts. Anyword's versatility and adaptability are its standout features that make it a valuable asset for content creators. Moving on to our fourth alternative, we have Writersonic. The Writersonic AI writing tool is designed to create SEO-optimized and plagiarism-free content. It offers features like AI article writer, text expander, landing pages, and article summarizer. Additionally, it provides a wide range of templates for different types of content, including blog posts, articles, sales pages, product descriptions, and more. One of the standout features of Writersonic is its ability to create content 10x faster than a human writer, without compromising on the quality and relevance of the content. Last but not least, we have Zimmwriter. Zimmwriter is an AI writing tool specifically designed for bloggers and content marketers. It offers features like SEO optimization suggestions, content planning, and generating blog post outlines. Zimmwriter's emphasis on improving search engine visibility and creating well-structured content makes it a top choice for writers in the digital marketing space. One of the standout features of Zimmwriter is its ability to understand the objective of the user's writing and give a relevant output. Compared to writer AI, Copy AI stands out with its wide range of AI-powered writing capabilities. Jasper, on the other hand, focuses on generating human-like text, adding a touch of authenticity to the writing projects. If you're looking for a user-friendly experience and versatile content generation, Writersonic is an excellent choice. Meanwhile, Anyword excels at quickly generating high-quality content, making it an ideal option when you're pressed for time, but still want exceptional writing results. Lastly, we have Zimmwriter, a tool that emphasizes SEO optimization and content planning. If we consider the information provided, the best alternative we would recommend is Jasper AI, in terms of overall features and capabilities. Jasper stands out as an AI writing tool that focuses on generating human-like text. It excels in understanding context and producing coherent and relevant written content that closely resembles text written by humans. We hope this comparison helps you gain a better understanding of the distinctions between writer AI and its alternatives, empowering you to make an informed decision while going ahead with the best AI writing tool. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.